the chairman and chief executive officer of Chevron, cleared the way for the two companies to reopen negotiations. So we're just getting the last, I'm just going to get an updated market for you, Sue, on what's happening, if anything, in extended hours. So come back to us.
We sure will. Big, busy night. Thank you, Pat.
Okay.
Let's go to tonight's strategy session. Mike Sutton joins us for that tonight. He's manager of 3 PBHG funds, including their Select Equity Fund, a fund that's primarily in tech stocks, but nonetheless is up about 12% this year. Not an easy feat. Good to see you, Tim. Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's start, first of all, with your take on the recovery that we saw in the market today. Were you in there buying?
Actually, I wasn't in there buying. I was actually in there selling some things that I didn't care to own any longer, but I had a fairly low cash position, so it wasn't like I was fighting the market. I was enjoying the opportunity to trade out of things I no longer cared very much for.
And is that because you didn't just care for those stocks, or because you expect the market to trend down once again?
Well, I see attractive opportunities in different areas, and when you have a market dislocation like we've just experienced, it creates different opportunities. And it's always my idea to try and sell out of things that I'm not as excited about and look at other things that maybe have improving business momentum and trade into those issues. So I have to sell something to get involved in those new issues.
And Mike, I have to apologize. I think I called you Tim. I don't know where that came from at the beginning of the segment. I know you're Mike.
You can call me whatever you like, Sue.
Okay, well, in that case, let's talk about where you do see opportunity in this market. Where would you be putting some new money?
Well, our favorite holding actually is Juniper Networks, and Juniper just reported a phenomenal quarter last night. Earnings of 17 cents a share. The street was looking for around 14 cents a share, and last quarter they reported 9 cents a share, so that was a phenomenal quarter. Revenues came in at $201 million. That's a 78% sequential growth over $113 million in the second quarter, and that was a 77% sequential growth quarter. This is a company that's taking market share from Cisco Systems in the high-end core router market. They've gone from 17% in the second quarter to 22% of the overall market, and took about 5% of that market share from Cisco that went from 80% to 75%. So when you can take market share from arguably one of the best companies ever, you're doing very well.
All right, Mike Sutton, thank you so much, Mike. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.
You have a good weekend.
Well, the first of our Who's Making Money reports is coming up.
I'm going to call you George by the time this show is over.
Well, I've been called that before. George Costanza, usually. Anyway, rumors about bankruptcy shake an already badly wounded Xerox. What does the company have to say about that? We will hear the official answer.
Also ahead, fresh violence rocks the Middle East and rattles the nerves of investors. We'll check the price of oil and oil stocks.